brothers and sisters, welcome back again to my channel, and my name is Javi. I wanted to continue from where we left off in the last video, to continue strengthening our pure state, to continue being here present. And I wanted to also bring out the bowl. I've been getting a lot of good feedback on that they appreciate it. It really relaxes everybody and helps out a lot. So I'm going to play a little bit of it and just let my heart speak. I actually don't have anything particular I wanted to talk about other than just being here in this moment, creating this opportunity for us to just be present. Maybe this will help you out today, to just get rid of the mind, drop into the heart, and you know the deal, just to stay away from the thoughts, become our true self, and create the space of peace and love within our hearts, and actually be in it fully, so that way we can just continue to live a very blissful and happy life without any distractions, and even more so, creating an opportunity for others to be there as well, which is very important nowadays. A lot of people are looking and searching for their peace and they don't know how. So hopefully this puts you in and strengthens you to be that beacon of light for as many other people, your relatives, your family members, coworkers, whoever that you come across. It's inevitable that when we are our true self, pure awareness, and we present that to the world, people find a peace within you. That's what I've been getting told. That's been my experience. So my job here is to bring us all there now and strengthen that. So I'm gonna get this going and we'll get back to having this connection. Just allow yourself to be it's such a beautiful thing to be able to experience our true self and our true nature in stillness and without resisting, just being here, and you can see how peace is actually really, really natural, and love, and not just love, unconditional love. When you're not resisting anymore to being you anymore, That's what everybody wants. And I'm not trying to tell you to do anything either. I'm just giving you my experience and what's worked for me. And in this state, it clears so much. You are experiencing it now. You can clearly just become the beacon to your own self. You have your own light. Right here, right now. You are it. In this stillness, in this state. The mind is not driving your experience anymore. The mind is not, hey, look at me over here. Let's go get entertained. Let's go eat the sugary stuff. Let's go do this and that, and consistently going and doing and getting tired and stressed and anxiety and da 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 da. And it's like, you don't need all that when you're already everything in the universe and nothing at the same time. It is actually a beautiful thing because we are actually strengthening our true self and creating a space for everybody else, all of our brothers and sisters and everybody, especially in these times. Everybody's looking for that peace. With everything going on, they're getting hit with so much information, so much, don't do this, don't do that, da 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 da. It's just like everybody needs to be here, everybody needs a break, everybody needs to come to their center and not just for a little bit and so they can go back to that. No, it's permanently, so that we can truly live, so we can truly be present and experience life with all its rawness of what it is. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for showing up for yourself, for being here, for taking the time to drop in and clearing up whatever you might have going. We strengthen it together. Together we expand it and make it stronger. We raise the frequency. This is truly how we raise the frequency, because we are allowing our heart to do it. Our mind's not trying to raise the frequency. We are just surrendering that mind and dropping into the heart so the heart can just let it be. And that's what everybody's looking for as well too. Everybody's holding back, but when you do it, it allows for other people to do it, like, oh my God, and then this big sense of release happens, like, oh man, that felt good. It felt good to just speak my heart. It felt good to just truly do what I was in my heart feeling to do. And then other people were like, wow, thank you for that. Like, now I can be myself too. And none of us are judging each other or whatever, have these like barriers of our minds and resisting, not having a true heart-to-heart connection. But here we are having it. Thank you guys again. Much love to you. Amitabah. Blessings. Namaste. Peace be with you. All is love. Om.